So would you like to do some project management using ClickUp? I'm going to show you how to get started and use this process in a very easy way. The very first thing you want to do is to sign up with the link I'm going to be leaving you down below in the description. So once you have done this process, I'm going to go and type my actual Gmail, and then later on let's hit now into next. Of course, what you need to do is to verify your account in order to continue, and then you might be having access to all the tools directly here into ClickUp. Next thing is to focus into creating and managing your very first project. So the very first thing I wanted to do first of all is to add all the information about myself. Then later on I'm going to choose an actual passcode. Now I'm going to go and play with ClickUp. So here what you need to do is just to verify your account real quick. Then I'm going to choose all the options the best suits for myself. There, congratulations, we have now just created our very first element here inside our new ClickUp element. So what I'm going to need to do is to create and manage my project, not by first going here into my settings, and what I'm actually doing is to customize everything about my store. So as you can see, I can add my avatar, add my full name, the email, check out the passcodes. I can change my themed color, the language, time zone, everything. Once you feel like you are now in home, let's go back into my workspace. So the very first thing I wanted to do is to start with my new workspace. Into the left part we have spaces. I can focus and create one space, and I have the icon name, the description, and if you want to make this private. So here into my icon name, let's say for example I go for cool cats. Here is my icon. I can upload my own icon if I wanted to. Let's say that I use the icon of my branding, which is this one, and I upload it and I go for save. Now to the description, let's go for clothing store, make it private and continue. Now if you wanted to use this totally for free and you don't want to, let's say, upgrade or really anything, what I can show is to use templates. Now templates can be helping you to just add elements directly into ClickUp, and you don't have to do a lot of elements but just focused into what matters most, which is to import all your data. So here, let's say for example that I go for search templates. Here I'm going to type project management. And as you can see, here are templates created by ClickUp. So for example, we have project management about Agile project management, Agile Scrum Manager, change management plan, legal project management, home renovation, construction, community, whatever. So if I focus directly into, let's say I focus into marketing, I just type the word marketing and you can see I have creating the design. I have operation, profile services, and so much more. So let's say for example I just focus into start a social media marketing for project management. So I choose it, and what you can do is to choose the option that says use template. Before that, you can see that the template includes stats groups, custom fields, click apps, and view types. So I make sure I can use all of those elements. The complexity is for beginners, so this is actually really great for us. So I go and use this template. Now the space name, I'm going to go once again with the same name of my branding. Import everything, import first data. Do you want to include achievement tasks? Let's go for no, and use my very first template. Congratulations, because we have now created an actual template where we can get started with our very first page. Now we can manage tasks effectively on ClickUp. So to create tasks, what you want to do is to focus into the left part and view all your spaces. Here into your spaces, you want to select this space that we have just created or generated. In this case, we have the team space, we have projects. So here, as you can see, it's been created now my cool cats elements. So what I need to do is to focus into here, and I have my folders. So for example, I have the CEO projects. Now here, what you can do is to delete these elements and start from scratch if you want to. For example, there are action plans, content review, on-page corrections, and keyword research. So just select the elements that you think that can be helpful for you and delete the elements that you don't want to see. So for example, the content review, I'm going to delete this. I have action plans and keyword research. So let's say that I create a new list and go here. Now this new list should be social media, and I create my very first list. So here I can start totally from scratch, and here's my to-do list. So if you wanted to change a list of view, here I have Gantt, calendar, docked, board, and table. I love to use the Kanban because it's much more faster to use like this, lines, and I can create a custom boards. So let's say for example that my very first task is to create a Facebook post. and I go for saved. Inside this task, I can click them and automatically it's going to be pumped out this new section where I can just edit the activity and the task that I need to do. I can change different assignees, priority, sprint points, tagging, time estimate that it's taking me, the status, the dates, and even tracking time. So here I can add different custom fields. I can add subtasks, checklist, assign comments, and add attachment. Once you're fulfilling all of this information, for example, let's say that I'm just starting to do this, I can just drag and drop into different bullet lists. Now the creative Facebook post is now into progress, and so on and on. If you clicked into these elements where you can see all your folders, you can see that here are the action plans. Social media is being progressing as you are working out. So for example, the start is from today, and the due date, let's say the finish here into the 31. Now the integrations can be helping you to have more tasks, much more tools. It can be making this much more easier. If I focus into the upper side of this quick action menu, I do have the app center. Here into the app center, I can add integrations. For example, I can add Slack, I can add Google Drive, I can add my Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and so much more elements. And of course, the analytics and the reporting, just in case you're not working just by yourself, you can focus into the workspace section. Here into the laptop, we have the dashboard, and you can focus into a lot of templates that you can choose, of course, to get started. For example, just a simple dashboard. So guys, this is just like a very easy way of how you can do some project management. There's a lot, but truly a lot of elements to cover here into the ClickUp. So you want to know a little bit more about a specific tool into ClickUp, you don't have to worry about it. You can leave a comment down below in the section and tell us about it. So thank you guys once again for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And well, hopefully we can all see you on a brand new next video.